Buy one, get 5 free.
Buy one, 5 free. Give me one.
Ma cotton.
No cotton, give me like that.
Buy one, get 6 free. Bros, I'm making money, man, they go. You don't rush and finish.
Give me balance. Give my change, but cash you.
Now where I want to go break this 1,000 from now. Now you be the first person who they sell for this man. No get change. I beg. I use God name beg you. Give me money, make I come out here.
That is my business. Just give me my balance. Let me live here. It's my business.
As you just chew the upper now, where they pour the oil for inside my eye. My eye be like pot of soup.
Not but sweet well.
Follow me go market. As they say, I go to give you change.
Follow me go which market? Do I look like a movie to you? Follow me to the market. Give my change, please.
Now what's that man call me? Now what's that call me?
It means you no get balance, so I just go with the money.
Give me my money. I go slap you here. Oh. I go slap you here. I know they look person. I go slap you here now. Ask my mother and my father. I go slap you.
Kasi, this is still early morning, you know. This early morning. I was scared this up my hair. I was scared this up my hair.
Give my money, make I go. I no blame you.
I don't have any other money.
Give me my money.
I don't have any other money. Tomorrow I'll give you money. I send you back from home.
You just speak of the whole thing. Just pour it for my hand. Pour it for my hand. Mine a cup of. Now what does it mean? Eh?
Hey. What's happening here?
My friends, I greet you.
Hey, lady. Why would you hold a man like that?
But bros, now you be waiting concern you for waiting the happen for here. Give me the money, I beg. Oh, your teeth don't change color for the fire. You don't come and finish like they talk nonsense whether I don't want to hear.
Are you talking to me?
Kasi,
Are you talking to someone who's trying to help you in that manner?
Now you dey help.
You think you can beat him?
Who you dey help, bros? Who you dey help? I bet now who you dey help? We'll begin to fear you now. As you shave all your hair, can't leave all your baby. We'll begin to fear you now. Person collect my okpa, the chopper all in teeth don't yellow. They blow the oil for my eye. I say my eye in a pot of soup. You decide them. Now who raise you? Now who raise you?
Are you referring to me?
Kasi, are you mad? Don't you know that this man is our prince? The prince of this land?
I see shave hair now, keep baby now, wear glasses now, wear black shoe now, prince. Tell her who I be queen. No worry. Hey, matter your thing go happen. This okpa you chopper, you swallow am, you go digest, but you go suffer am. Because anyway, what I see, I don't want a compound. I'll collect my money.
You still
Buy one, get 5 free.
You still owe me my 5, bro.
We'll begin to fear you. We'll begin to fear you.
Kasi, you still owe me 5. You give me 1.
We'll begin to fear you. Okpa wey get swag, we'll begin to fear you. Adiaku.
You never give me my 6. Still dey talk.
Buy one, get 5 free. Adiaku.
Who is she?
She's Kasi, Ichie Adem's daughter.
Nai, what is it?
What were you doing in here? In an uncompleted building? Nkiru, why are you not ashamed of yourself?
Nai, what is it?
What is
it, Nai? Eh? Am I your daughter? Am I not old enough to take care of myself and know what is good for my body? What is it, Nai, eh?
What is good for your body? No, it is this that is good for your body. I thought you went to school. I thought you are educated and that you have seen the 4 walls of a school. No, this is what you have studied. Eh? And kissing a man like you're sucking yourself like orange. Nkiru, you should be. ashamed of yourself. Woo! Nkiru.
Woo! You should be ashamed of your own self. You should be ashamed of yourself. Papa Kasi, don't say I've insulted you. Don't say I have insulted you. Better go and advise your useless and stubborn daughter. I have my own parents to do that correction for me, not you.
You call my daughter useless?
Yes, she is.
No, how useless is my daughter? Ongewa, that is useless. You that is frolicking with men here and there. And that is why they call you Keziah. Yes, it is very clear that the reason they call you Keziah has shown here.
Papa Kasi, me Keziah.
Ibu Keziah.
Nah, me Keziah.
Yes.
Hey. You see you old man, eh? You see you. No problem. Idiot. Useless, big for nothing old fool.
No, how?
Look
No,
at how
come.
you just
How is my daughter a Keziah?
From the day that I was enjoying.
How is she a Keziah?
Woo!
Hey! I never knew you are like this. My daughter is well known in this community as a woman with dignity, a woman of substance, a woman who knows herself. Look at you, with men. It is uncompleted building. I'm sorry for you. Woo!
So, Father, what did you say happened to the pot of life?
Oh, yes. I can't wait to show you where I kept it. Let's go.
No. Your Highness. He's not running away. He just came back from Lagos. In fact, you've not even asked him how he fed in Lagos. He's not eating, he's not bathed, he's not even rested. Stop, Biko. He's not running away. So, son, how are you?
It's okay, Mother. Thank you very much. Thank you. I can't wait to eat your food again.
And I made a special one for you.
Well, that's all right. If you want to eat, you can eat. But my worry is that we've recorded 3 attempts by burglars to steal it where it was kept. So I had to relocate it under lock and key. You see that pot of life. If we lose it, we are doomed as a people.
3 attempts? Whoa.
You're right.
So, can we go now and see it?
So, Mother, come.
Buy one, get for free.
This life will not be able to be that's all life will be. This one no be able.
Buy one, get for free.
Papa.
You got them?
Yes, one.
Buy one, get 5 free.
Our people are bad though. But who are these people trying to steal the pot of life? The only power we have in this community. Getting the befa.
My dear, this is the 3rd attempt. Hey. The 3rd attempt at stealing this pot of life. It's so bad though, that the Igwe himself had to carry the pot of life and keep in his palace. Let us see who will go to his bedroom and take it.
Papa. I'm not happy, Mama. I've been insulted in this village, eh?
What happened? Who insulted you?
It's not Mazadi, man. What have I done to people in this village, eh? Why are they envious of me? What have I done? Why do they keep insulting me, Papa? Mazadim, he saw me on the road and he started insulting me. Papa, what have I done? Am I the only beautiful girl in this village that came back from the city?
Nine. Why would Adam insult you?
Adadi Ugoma. Adora. Ewo? Ezigbo nwa.
Papa.
My princess.
Papa.
Calm down. Calm down. Who did you say insulted you?
Papa, I was on the road discussing with Toaster. On the main road, oh Papa. We were discussing about the night vigil we were going to attend this night and the people were going to go to their house and carry them to church. Mazadim was now passing. People were passing too. He stopped and started calling me names. I'm a prostitute. I'm a disgrace to this village. How I go around meeting people and all. Papa, he even called me Kezaya. Me, you're not a Kezaya. Mama, don't you know me? Don't you know me?
Wait. Adim called you Kezaya again?
Yes, Mama.
Were you sharing anything that warrants Adim to call you Kezaya?
Mama, how can you say that now? I'm telling you that he called me Kezaya. You say...
Adam.
Nah, in that case, you have to do something.
Adim called you Kezaya.
Yes, Papa.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Today, Adim will see the devil in me. We will use our bag to write figure 8 on the grounds of this village. Today, not tomorrow.
But you have to finish your food first so that you will get strength. You have strength.
It was Adim called my daughter Kezaya.
So that you will have strength to go and fight Adim again.
Did I tell you I don't have any strength? Can you measure my strength? Look at her. Adim called my daughter Kezaya. And you say I should eat. So, all the things I have done to them, including Ndoka, have not sent a strong warning to all of them. Today, Adim will see and know who I am. Today, my daughter, this is the end of anybody calling you Kezaya. Do you hear me? This is the end of anybody calling you what? Kezaya.
Nah, you have to finish your...
Eat what? Adim called my daughter Kezaya. Come, are you sharing anything in the video?
Yes, nah. No, Papa. You don't know your daughter again. We're talking about church. On the main road, what will I be sharing on the main road, Papa? Okay. We're talking about church, Mama.
Church. Listen.
We'll go to...
Are you sure you did not do anything that warrants Adim to call you Kezaya? Are you not sharing anything?
I don't even know why you don't support me. Okay, you believe I'm sharing something.
I'm just asking for asking sake, So before your father will go and fight...
My son, I'm seeing you. I can see you. Which of the shakara? Which of the shakara do you want? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Hey! Look at it. Hey, hello. Please, Mama, I don't like that. I am the one that's supposed to do the shakara. Let me. I am the one. Hey, baby, are you jealous?
Mama, I'm not
jealous. Hey, let me come in my son. The way we used to do it. Hey, here.
I'm not that all.
Here.
Mama,
come back
Mama,
here and let me.
Your son of the night is back. I am back.
Yes, I can see.
Ada, I have something.
You have what?
I have something.
Let's
get it down, okay?
Open now.
I've been waiting for that thing.
Let's go inside. Don't worry about
it. Son, this is the pot of life.
Oh, really? So this is it?
Oh yes. This is the only inheritance given to us by our forefathers. Should anything happen to it, we are finished.
I see. So finally I set my eyes on the pot again.
Yes. Oh yes.
So tell me, Father, why would anyone want to steal it?
Oh, Oh, you don't know? If this gets to London Museum, it was hundreds of millions of pounds.
Really?
Oh yes. So you have to guard it jealously. Our lives depend on this. Now, as the heir apparent of the throne, one day you will succeed me to be the king. I am handing you over this key officially as the heir apparent of the throne. One day you will succeed me to be the king. Look after this pot. Guard this pot jealously. Do not allow anything to happen to it, because our lives depend on this. You can come with me. Let me educate you more.
Adim, I'll come there. What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Adim, what did I do to you? Can you hear Melogi? What? Imamula. Eh? Yeah. Okay, boo. Okay, boo. Can you hear Melogi? Eh? You slapped me. Eh? No, Adam, am I dreaming or what? Adam, if you say one more word, I will slap you again. Do you hear me? Eh? How can a man like you with a daughter go about calling my own daughter Keziah? What is she carrying? I ask you again, what is she carrying? Eh? Is your daughter better than mine? Is your own doing well? If she is doing well, why is she selling Okpa everywhere? Go Okpa. Look, is she not the real Keziah?
No, I don't know. Where have I gone wrong? That I helped you to train your daughter? That I cautioned your daughter? That I saw... Ofonye, Onazonwa. Eh? A child does not belong to just one man. It belongs to everybody. So, is that why you slapped me?
I think you are still talking.
Is that why you slapped me? An elderly man like me?
I think you are still talking. You're still talking. I said if you talk again, I will slap you. Do you hear me? Eh? Who are you correcting? What are you correcting? Who sent you to correct my daughter? Who sent you to correct my daughter? Have you finished correcting your daughter? I'm sorry. Eh? Have you finished correcting your daughter?
It's okay. It's all right. Ototo bo egwu enwe. Abali be egwu amusu. It's all right. Thank you very much. But okay, where did I go? You are a fool. Your size is only deceiving you. Yes! Your size is deceiving you. Big for nothing.
You slap me.
Why will I not slap you? If you say anything rubbish here again, I will slap you another.
Adim, you slapped the Ono.
Who is Ono? Onye Malegena, this community. Who knows you in this community that you are calling yourself Ono? If you say anything again, I will slap you. Yes! Fight, you want to fight?
Adim, you
no.
Adim, you slapped. What is giving you morale?
No, nothing. Eh? Nothing is giving me. Lie.
Adim, what is giving you morale?
Listen, it is Adim.
Adim, what is giving you
It is Adim on the ground.
What is giving you?
Hey!
What gave you
no. Oh no, I'm going to kill you. I will kill you. Oh no, you think you can do anything to me? You cannot do me anything. You want to son?
This is serious. Sir, take the keys, my lord.
Okay.
Please, you know what to do.
That what you saw there is the reason our people hardly fall sick.
My friend, here is your water.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Once there is sickness in the land, all we do is to place it under the rainwater, serve it to a dying patient, and the person gets instantly well.
No wonder the people of this land grew very old. Aye.
Yes, that is the only thing we are known for. So, should anything happen to it, or there will be calamity in the land. If we had allowed criminals to tamper with it, we are doomed as a people. So, son, that's why I created that strong room for it. Nobody is allowed to go there. You have the key. I called Okebu. I don't know what is still keeping him.
Why did you shout my name?
You have to come with me now. Your father is fighting with Mazukebu. And you have wounded me.
Fighting? Where? Come. He has wounded him. He has wounded him where? Huh? Hey! My leg! I will kill you. Oh no, my leg! I will kill you. My leg! I will kill you. Oh no, I will kill you. Oh no, I will. What to wound him? You do the bend the leg. You will not be chicken. Wait. My leg. My waist, oh! Adim and the daughter they have. Did you see what this useless girl did to me? Homie. Adim, this is your end in this village. Adim, I will kill you.
Where is the road?
Where is my wife?
Oh no! It's alright.
My children. Your daughter in this village. Hey! Kukumo! Hey! Adim! Call my wife, oh! Adim, if I don't kill you in this village, oh, Adim! Hey! Call my wife, oh! Hey! Adim, if I don't kill you in this village, oh, Adim! Hey!
Mama, this is what Slim said for you.
Jumbo. Hey!
This is for you. I bought this for you. Adamne.
I'm waiting for my own.
You, this is all for you. Okay? Yeah, this is also for you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey!
Let's talk with him now.
Okay, let's talk.
I will call him. Mama, after we go outside and we make a video call, all of us will see him. Mama,
I cannot wait.
Slim is making a big money in Malaysia.
Don't talk it. Man, talk for you. You tell me.
But I have another good news for you people.
Say something. What is it? Go on. Tell me. I can't wait. My ears are itching.
Now talk.
I have found a good wife to marry.
It's again, What? Hey!
You're kidding me.
Do you really mean it?
Yes, that is part of the reason I'm here. She's from Amokwe village and I'm going there after eating to bring her.
Hey! I can't wait to see her.
Hope she's beautiful.
Of course! You don't trust me?
Trust
Mama, she is
Hey!
pretty. Mama, in fact, she is a good God-fearing woman.
That's the type I want. That's the type I want. Hey, baby.
Trust me.
Hey!
You know what, you get swag now.
Hey!
I am so happy, my son.
Thank you, Mama. I will relax. I will call him later. I will call him.
I hope Steve, your brother, is making the same plan of getting his own wife.
Hey, baby.
And I hope he's not going to bring a white woman here because I will not take it.
No,
I
don't think Slim is planning something.
See, Mama, we're not even doing anything now.
You see, I had to call him on phone to come here so that he will say it with his own mouth, Mama. You didn't believe me.
No problem. He will see fight today and run. No so bad.
Thank you. See you later.
Okay, don't worry. I'm going to call you. Get ready on time so that when I come for the night video, we'll leave.
Mama.
See.
Mama.
Bye. No?
Okay, Mama.
Bye. Mama, you see? Bianchi. Mama. You know I was telling you, didn't you? Now you've heard it from me. Wait.
Nkiru, this incident happens almost every single time you visit village. Are you trying to tell me that those people that catches you in the bush always are lying? Or are we the one lying? Just tell me, I am confused.
Mama, what are you trying to say? That I'm truly the Kezaya they call me, Mama. So I cannot come back to the village and go to the bush for sightseeing and see people and people will see me. Or me and Osita, it was on the mirror they saw us. We're not doing anything, Mama. So you believe the villagers calling me Kezaya?
I did not believe them. I cannot call you Kezaya. You are my daughter. I am so proud of you. You see, you know, they say you took after me, but I don't care. I cannot support them in calling you these names. But you have to be careful. If you want to do something like this, at least you look for a hidden place, somewhere that will be safe for you and the person. When I was at your age, I did even more than you. Yes, look at me. Am I not proud of myself? That is why I am so proud of you as my daughter.
Mama, don't worry, Mama. They will talk, mouth will talk.
Yes.
Mama. But don't worry. Very soon, I will get married to my rich husband and I will leave this village for them. They won't even see my back.
Tell me. Among Obina and Samson, which one would you want to marry?
Mama, you're behind though. Don't worry, I will just do the latest. Let me go and take my bath. A lot has happened. There are plenty, there are many of them on my neck now. It's up to me to make my own decision.
Tell me.
I have enough gist. Wait, let me go and take my bath and come back. I am loaded, Mama. I am well loaded. I don't even know. Yes, I don't even know which one to choose, Mama. They are all loaded, ma.
With money?
With money.
Hajichego.
Mama, I'm going to be swimming in money very soon.
Hey!
Follow me, don't worry.
Oh!
It will take time. I'm just here everything, Mama. Okay, go. I know my money.
Nobody go kita ya go aribe go. Oh. Obinna ko Chuks ko Samson. Nyaka mom ga na-emezi.
Can you imagine that? How could that girl lay her filthy hands on you? Not only that you are an elder, but my no. Igwe, just look at me. But Igwe, don't worry. That stupid girl will hear from my son and my daughter. No. Leave her to me. By the time I'm done with her, she will regret her life. No. I will send my guards to bring her here. Right now.
Sorry, no. Sorry. Father, I will kindly suggest we maybe invite her over and hear our own part of the story.
There is nothing to hear from her. Absolutely nothing. That girl is stubborn. Are you suggesting that I am lying?
Oh, no, not at all. Please, do not get me wrong. What I'm trying to insinuate is we all know that there are two sides to a story. I'm just suggesting we hear our own parts.
Forget that argument. Forget that line of thought. You don't know that girl. Iwe.
Let me get the shea butter and the bandage. So after the massage, I will now use the bandage and hold the leg for you.
Ajumaju, no. How did I offend that girl? Because I was cautioning her? Eh? And she told lies against me?
I don't do.
No, but don't. Well, it's only God.
Don't do. Next time, if you see yourself, no put your mouth for a matter. Now she go tire. No talk to him.
This will not end here. It will not end here.
Mama, it don't end here. This leg don't end up. May they carry their walla, they go. It don't end here.
Hey!
Greetings to you, Mazi.
Welcome.
Yeah, Igwe demands to see Cassia right now at the palace.
Me?
Yes.
For waiting now? What do I do?
Well, what did she do?
I don't know. He demands to see her under 1 minute. So come with us.
Now, get him, that 1 minute.
Oh, yeah, mom, they go now.
You can't go alone. I have to go with you.
Papa, Igwe go chop me. Before Igwe go finish full person like me, saying one chop me, people go don't gather. Where would they go?
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Leave her to go. They will not kill her.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Who chop me? Oh yeah, let's go. As we police or you be army. Bros, not be gun there on top of your head though.
Get him, come
with us, come with us. Come with us right away. What I do? Come with us, move am. As in police, I be army. Bros, forget that thing. No be gun there on top of your head. Na dada and crown. Make we dey go. You go say, make we dey go. You say, make we dey go. Let's go. Like say they arrest me. Hey! I dey come, mama.
Go, mama. Don't knock me.
Kasa, be careful, eh?
Hey. You should kill anybody.
Let's sleep. Your mom is here. My mother and everybody is here. See your face.
We saw everything you gave to us. Thank you. Thank you. Mama, be nice here.
Yes, I'm here. Can you see what I'm
Mama, talk to me. See you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay. Slim, let's talk later. Don't mind that. Alright, bro.
Wait, still hold it. Let me see.
Let's go.
You think you are stubborn? You fought my honor?
If we make I tell you what even happened,
Or will you shut up? Guys, flog her.
Oh, Father, please, it hasn't gone.
Osemina, stay away
Father,
from this.
please, I beg of you.
This girl has been going around town proving herself stubborn. This is time for me to show her. Flog her. If I allow you, do you think you can fight with Onowu son Ekene? Or any of my guards? Flog her.
It hasn't got to that.
Osemina, I said stay away from this. This girl has been going about town proving herself to be stubborn. Who are you? Flog her! Your hand. Your hand. Come on. Okay, kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down.
Ah! Ah! Mama!
Had the guts to fight my father. Hey, Mama, have you seen it?
That girl is mad. But today, I will show her madness.
There is no point. She's already at the Igwe palace. You know Igwe now. Igwe will surely deal with her.
Hey, that one is for the Igwe. Me, I'm going to deal with her personally. She will see, Mama. Hey! What have I done to people in this village, eh? What have I done to them? This morning, Mother insulted me. Now her daughter is fighting my dad. Why? If I were there or my brother was there, would they do that?
Bah! Nkiru,
Mama,
let's wait. When your father comes back, just cool down.
Hey! She think your father was fighting with her father. That was why she ran to defend her father.
Hey. Okay. She fought the wrong person. Me, I will personally take my own fight to their house.
It's okay.
Mama, let me even go. Let's go. Mama, don't worry. Wait. My friends are coming.
I wanted us to wait for your father, but this time I don't think I'm waiting.
Mama, we're going to do it in a big way.
Hey!
We are going to show them level, Mama. We are going to do it in a very big way. I will show them that I'm the big girl in this village.
How?
Don't worry, Mama. My guy is coming. Obina, I'm going to pick them up. Arrest them. Put them inside prison.
Yes.
As in
we will jail them all.
And we don't talk too much.
Okay.
We just... Hey! They are... Cassie, that girl, every time she'll be doing like abu. I will throw her and
listen, guys. My boss is ready to make you guys millionaires. But I want to be sure if you have the mind to become rich. Yes.
See, Oga, make I tell you, no get joy. Which one be if you get mind to be millionaire? Oga, see, he gets the kind curry who will go hold man. You go discover even talent who God never give you. As we do like this now, we discover the person where they build this house senior me with 1 year and 2 months. I know they happy. We are ready to do anything.
Okay. And you?
Oga, see, like I tell you. No be say you don't do nothing for us as you just enter here. But don't show you small. Sell this your car. Come up for this place.
Boys no get joy.
Talk waiting you want talk, come up for this.
It's okay. That was meant to be a joke. I just wanted to know the kind of stuff you guys are made of. Like I said before, I am here to make you guys millionaires on behalf of my boss. But you will pay a little price.
Is that a little price? Price? Yes. Oga, name the price. We will consider I'm here now. Everything, what will be the price? Just tell us.
What do you know about the pot of life? Yes, the pot of life.
Pot of Guinea?
The pot of life.
What case stay? No case stay here.
Waiting be you won't kill us, I've been waiting. They send you come. Is that your plan? Okay, come on for here. Which one be say pot of life? I bet they come on for this place.
What now? I thought you guys said you have the mind to become millionaire. Why don't you calm down and allow me explain?
I sent you
the
here.
difference between you and a millionaire is just a snap of my finger as we talk. You would become 10 million richer if you are able to deliver, yes.
10 million.
Yes. 10 what? Wait, the last talk where you talk.
10 million?
My boss is ready to make you guys millionaires. You'll be richer 10 million each.
Oga, the last talk where you talk now, it coiled for my ear. You fit rewind them, make I hear and well. You say 10 million.
I said 10 million naira.
Okay, that one is understood. This 10 million where you just talk now you go collect the 10 million or now we go collect the 10 million?
It is for both of you. 10 million each.
10 million?
You heard me.
Oga, what is on I want, sir?
The pot of life.
Which one I say on I want?
The pot of life.
The pot of life?
Yes.
I know where it is.
Nai, I will not take this. I will not take this, oh. Look at my daughter's hand.
The question is, where did I go wrong? How did I offend you, Kebu? By the way, why must the king flog my daughter like this?
Yeah.
Huh? No. I will never take it. I must go straight to the Igwe.
No need, just no worry. No worry. That foolish man, he go suffer him. He go suffer him.
Don't tell me to leave him. I will not let Ukegbu go free this time. For what? The Igwe must hear it. The Igwe must understand that I did not fight Ukegbu, but he fought me, slapped me, injured me. I am not ready to take it. I'm not going to take it.
Nai, you are right. Just go there, go meet him.
I will.
Why for just leave him? For leave him.
I will. Leave her. Let me go. Go and take care of yourself, my daughter. Why is it Igwe?
Hey! Ask for that foolish man. Now you go suffer all this thing. Ma, just reason this matter first. Now you go suffer him.
But I will not take this. I will not take this, oh.
Make I reason this situation first. Ma, reason now.
Guy, this won't work. This money where you talk about now, we don't hammer, We don't hammer, no be smart, you know.
Wait.
Just they pray, make it work as you talk.
Do I look like a joker to you? I know why I came to you. That's because I know that you can deliver. Listen. If you succeed, you are made. It's as simple as that. Okay, hold on. To let you know that I'm serious, huh?
Do something.
Yes. My retainer. This is to tell you how serious I am.
Oga? This one is for me.
Of course, yes.
See, Oga, hi, you're a good man. Oga, see, since when they talk, I just, here. I just feel saying all these Jehovah's Witness people, they carry back, they preach for people. Okay. You understand? Now I know, say you dey serious. Oga, consider you done. Consider it. If I don't worry, we have someone who will make this job very easy. Don't worry yourself.
That is your own business. I don't know about that. What I want you to do is think of 10 million naira. Think of owning your own car. Think of owning your own mansion and think less of what people will say about you.
Don't think this.
Don't worry.
From the moment you give me this thing, then the tell person what I use money to do. Person will be this thing. How many years it takes on me? 1 year and 2 months. It tell me make I think.
Don't worry.
Now you have my number. You can give me a call.
Person will be this thing, not the person. Okay, take another one.
Come back. We'll give it to you.
Forget that. When they come with bag.
Don't worry.
Hi, Joey. This one be men now. One day we are ready.
Father, I don't want to dispute on the fact that girl is not stubborn. She is. Father, you didn't handle this matter very well. I know I'll be king someday. And I pray that the gods give me the wisdom to rule over my people. But there's one thing I know for sure. I will never ever be partial.
Good. Ozemena, how am I partial? Tell me. You said it now, that you encountered that girl on your way coming back home. That is to show you how rude she can be.
Father, nobody is disputing the fact that she's not rude. Yes, I saw it with my own eyes. But the point I'm trying to make is, I later realized I didn't handle that matter very well. I mean, the controversy, the issues he had with the boy I told you about.
Your Highness, you heard what he said. He is right. You should have listened to her and heard her part of the story.
Exactly.
You shouldn't have concluded immediately.
Exactly the point I'm trying to make. Father, I know Mazi Ukegbu is your own no. But I don't think that girl will be that rude to have fought with him. I don't think so.
Ukegbu is one of my trusted elders. He couldn't have lied to me. That girl is very, very stubborn.
Your Highness, I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. I know that girl. Yes, granted she's stubborn. But she's a girl that is always minding her business. She hates injustice. And she's as well a very hard-working girl.
Well, I have taken my stand on this matter. And no one challenges my authority.
Hey, Papa, I'm so happy. That serves her right.
Good. I was even talking about going to fight her. But let her make do with those flogging.
Leave her. What she has received is enough for her. But you see the father. You see Adam, I will deal with Adam. I will so deal with Adam that after dealing with him, his white eyeball will become red.
I trust you, Papa.
I know what you can do.
I trust you. I know you're going to defeat him.
Yes,
I knew you were going to defeat him.
I dealt with him. I beat him up. I messed him up.
I trust him.
I gave him fun to eat.
That's Papa.
Look, you don't know what I did to him. I so beat him that, look, I took his leg and twisted it.
Have you seen it?
This is the reason I used to hold you back.
Complete smackdown.
Next time, he was not going to have the mouth to fight. Please, Isaiah. Please.
It's okay. That one you did is okay.
My baby is here. Mama, my baby.
Oh, my baby. My baby, look at you. Oh, my God. How are you? Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Mama, Papa. Meet my friend, Obinna. He's the guy I've been talking to.
Good day.
Nah, you're welcome.
Greetings,
no. Hey.
Is this your own or did you borrow it?
Yes, it's my car. I have a lot of it.
That's no, Papa.
Sorry. I have something in the book. Yeah, let's go and get it. Okay? Yeah.
Igwe, Lord, I greet all of you. My prince, greetings to you. Igwe, I am not happy at all, Igwe. I am not happy because my daughter was maltreated. My daughter was maltreated, Igwe. I am not happy. I am not happy because an injustice was done on my dear daughter.
What happened?
Igwe, look at my leg. No, look at my leg. This is the handwork of who people.
What?
Your own Owu. I am not happy.
Mazi, how come?
Igwe, I went for an inspection in Mezier's building site. And in one of the rooms, I saw Okebo's daughter and Osita, the son of Nnedi. They were kissing themselves. Kissing themselves. They were romancing and kissing themselves. In fact, I called her and to caution her, but that girl heaped insults on me. She heaped insults on me. I don't know exactly what she went home to tell her father. Okebo came and slapped me. Okebo slapped me. Hey! He said I called his daughter Keziah. I never did. I never did.
Did you see that?
Lolo, quiet. How are we sure he is saying the truth?
But father, this is exactly what we are talking about. You believe Okebo, but now we are hearing another side of the story.
Your Majesty, how can I tell lies? But if you think I am telling lies, call Okebo so that we say exactly what happened face to face. When Okebo was twisting my leg, my daughter rushed in to separate us. And Okebo fell down, hit his waist on the ground. And he started raising an alarm that my daughter has broken his waist. Your Majesty, you flogged my daughter unjustly. My daughter did not do anything. You did what you did, Maka. It's all right.
I'm sorry.
This is not fair. This is not fair.
I'm sorry.
This is not fair.
Hey, quiet, Osebna.
My son, I have heard you. You're always welcome. Our people say that there is nothing else that we are looking for in cigarettes except the smoke.
That's all.
You're welcome. Anytime you're ready to come with your people, come. We will receive you.
Right,
we will always look. This is your family now. This is your house. We will receive you. We will receive you. Adam Mama, Ada Daddy,
Adam Mama.
Adamo.
Papa.
Adam, I know that you will make me proud.
Yes, Papa.
I know.
Papa, Mama, by the time I am done with this family, I promise you all will be happy.
God will bless you. And God will continue to bless you for us. I am praying for more blessings.
More? You agree? My son, I am happy now that my son Ekene will stop working in the palace. People should start going now so that you will not drive at night.
Thank you very much, Papa.
Just don't be in a hurry to come back. I want you. Don't be in a hurry to come back.
I have to stay.
Yes. He's already your people. Stay as long as you want.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mama.
My son, if you are coming again, this thing will be good again because I will have finished the one you brought. Odo Buji packaging. How about you? Now, how about you?
Good day, Mama.
My prince, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Now what they do for you? Just begin they run, they go out, now. Just they run. They run. Carry the motor for your head. Carry and they run, they go out, now.
Cassie, you calm down. Calm down and stop this.
What do you want talk? What do you want talk? Say when I get money. People will get money, make a tell you they go take do. If you want make history, say you get money, you go fence your village. When I go fence my village. Fence this village round and I go show so when I get money. Begin they flog me like small pikin. You can't stand at this time.
I am sorry. Okay? I'm sorry for what happened. You see, I was talking with my father and he didn't wait to hear from you. I'm sorry, just the way I didn't wait to hear from you when you had conflict with the boy in the morning. That's the reason I'm here. I want you to understand that two wrongs cannot make a right. That's what they call diplomatic approach.
But not threaten me. Don't use English, threaten me. Don't do that! Don't threaten me.
I'm sorry.
As long as this true rich enough to come beg me now. Make brain, make brain. Make brain.
So, apology accepted?
My priest, let me get seat for you.
I'm not happy. You see, Cassie, what I will do to Cassie. Listen, see, the matter we bring us here, big past this your fight and Cassie stuff. You understand?
Girl, calm down. It is the reason we are here is even bigger than this village. The reason we are here is even bigger than the palace.
Tell him.
Now, all we just want from you is to tell us that you're interested.
Yes.
And that's all.
That's all.
Your life will never remain the same. It changed you overnight. Positively.
There is no how I will tell you I'm interested when I have not heard from you to know what is at stake.
Okay. Calm down. Can't hear you, Ja. Relax. Can't hear you, Peteke. What I got the yana come.
Afrodimpa. Anisi ego. Afrodimpa.
We don't see waiting.
Anisi money.
This money, this thing, 100,000.
No, don't touch it. Just Nisi.
Okay. 100,000.
100,000.
See, this money you will get to reap from this money only if you concur. Don't touch it. Just Nolisia. Just only the smell. Good.
Hey.
Good.
Chibiki, 100,000. Hey, guy, listen. I'm interested.
Why would you be interested?
Even if it's to kill myself, I'm interested. Idiot, you kill yourself.
See, the reason we are here, if it works out fine, I mean, if everything goes very successful, I will tell you, 3 of us here will just be 10 million naira richer.
Point of correction, 10 me.
10M.
10 me.
As I did tell you.
10 me. 10 mil. That's 10 million naira. Now, this 10 million naira, you get to benefit and enjoy the money only if you concur. And you will become a payee to the Igwe, and you pay the prince to be a prince for you.
No.
You won't understand.
Did I hear you say 10 million?
10 million.
Or 10,000?
Hold on. You had him very well.
10 million?
You had him crystal clear.
Wonder.
You know why?
It's okay.
Because once you get to know and do what you are asked to, Ibulu ude neti ego now.
The only thing you should be asking me now, am I interested in killing myself? I'm interested.
You don't need to kill yourself. Calm down.
Tell me what is it?
Tell him.
I'm in fact, I'm inside it.
No need.
Tell him. Buali ako ibon suba.
No need.
That's just it.
You see?
Nothing less, nothing more. So your destiny is in your hand. And you know here now, boy. Once you get 10 million, you can say boy.
Mama, take a good look at her. Mama, just look at her. Is she not a mama son?
Obinna,
Mama,
you have these fine eyes for good thing.
Add too much.
Yeah.
I am too much, Mama.
Ne. Welcome, oh.
Thank you, Mama.
You are auntie. You're very beautiful. Seriously.
Thank you so much. It's the Lord's doing. Praise the living God.
Hallelujah. Ebere, call Monica. Tell her to come here immediately that my container has done what? Has arrived.
Yes.
Oh.
I'll do that.
Hold on. Help! No. Mama, just hold on there. Hold on there. Let me drop it. Your feet don't need to touch this ground. So just call. Hey!
Mama, please, you can't do this for me. You can only do this for my father. He alone can step on you.
I know. Keep quiet. Just step on it. Come on, my dear. Take it one by one. Hey, step on it.
Okay, Mama, if you insist.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, my son.
Come on, my daughter. Come on. Obinna, hold it there.
Oh.
It's my property from here. Oh, yeah. Here. Just hold on. I'm coming. Let me collect my... Help! Hey!
I like your clothes, you know. There is what we call conflict of actions.
Don't do that, bros. You want to threaten me with English? So now I'll let you go to school. Bros, forget that thing, no. I'll let you go to school. I hear English too.
Cassia, I don't mean to intimidate you.
You know, Fit, okay? You're not even rich.
I'm being real here, okay? So tell me, if you went to school, so why do you speak pidgin English?
I'm used to it. I go school Shamfa.
I don't understand that. How do you mean I go school Chamfa?
You understand? When you go to school now, they teach you, you not agree, you can't hear, you not agree listen because every time your brain now, but you want to go sell. How many times I want to take under the class?
Oh, now I understand what you're trying to say. So tell me, where did you school?
I actually went to National Open University, one in Oka.
Oh, that's not bad.
I know.
Well, that's not bad. To me, I think it's really natural for someone to learn something. I mean, anything good from the university. I mean, speaking pidgin English is your choice.
Like I said, my choice, my life, my decisions, my way. But all the same, it doesn't rub off the fact that I got to apologize to you, understand? As I begin to book out and just spread, my mind they cut because I know I made a put handcuff on my hand because handcuff no be bangle.
Oh, no, I don't do that, okay? I can't get you arrested. You say,
sorry, obviously.
No problem, you're welcome. My father is not as learned as myself. And that is exactly the point I was trying to prove to him. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I know you better now. And you do know me better.
Yes.
That simply means we're friends now. So, no one is going to embarrass anyone no more,
okay.
Right? Good. Like I said, I like your guts.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And as for that boy, I'm going to pay the money to you. Pay, please permit me to pay.
Bros. When you ask permission for that kind of matter, I'll just begin to roll the morning and take and spray me. Just throw for ground and come on. I better drop my bar.
Mama, sorry. I didn't know you slept. Sorry, I had to wake you guys up again. I wanted us to pray before we go to bed. Please. Yes.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
God bless you. How would I have known that a beautiful girl like you will have such a mind?
Mama, this is how she does it all the time.
Okay, one. Let's stand for the Lord. Worthy, you are worthy, King of kings, Lord of lords, you are worthy.
My prince, I'm back. I've done what you told me to do.
Okay, good. Have you repacked the car?
Yes. Yes, very well.
Where is Dikeh asked you to keep for me?
Okay, key to that store. Of course. Yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Hey, look at it. Should I give?
Very well.
Let's see.
Thank you. You can leave.
Yes. Okay. Good night.
All right.
Good night, my prince. Well done, well done. Sleep well.
Shut the door.
Okay, shut the door.
She's never giving royalty is calling. Royalty is calling. Can't you see?
The first still wake us up now, saying a dream me and you the dream, wake up, saying a lie. Why they can't carry the body go evil forest?
That's what happens to anyone that commits suicide. I don't know. I don't know that which your father could not share with us that made him to kill himself. What is it? What? I had him, my husband had him there. Oh, hey, no more.